and welcome to our exciting Canva course. Whether you are a beginner looking to get started with graphic design or someone aiming to enhance your design skills, you are in the right place. I will be your guide through this course where we will unlock the power of Canva and create stunning professional designs in no time. Canva is an amazing design tool that is user friendly, flexible, and packed with features, making it favorite for both beginners and experienced designers. From creating social media graphics to designing customer merchandise, you can do it all in Canva. In this course, we will walk through the entire design process step by step, starting with the basics and gradually mastering advanced techniques. So let's dive in. In the end of this course, we will also be learning how you can earn your first income by getting your first freelance project after completing this course. So stay tuned, you will have an ample of opportunities after completing this course. First module, we will introduce you to the world of Canva. We will explore how to set up your account, familiarize you with the interface, and guide you through the essentials of navigating the platform. So, this is the Canva home screen in which we will learn about how to use these different tools and apply in order to edit and make different designs. So, by the end of this module, you will feel confident and ready to start creating. Coming to the module 2. So basically module 2 is all about the Canva basics. We will start by learning how to use templates and add, edit text and upload images through these all options, and also how you can use different colors and fonts. With Canva's drag and drop functionality, you will quickly understand how simple it is to create eye-catching design. Coming to the third module, that is basically on the intermediate Canva skills. Once you have mastered the basics, we will level up to module 3 with some intermediate skills. You will learn to use advanced tools like gradient, transparency, and effects. These techniques will add depth and professional flair to your designs, making them stand out. Coming to the fourth and fifth module, that is basically related to creating and engaging YouTube thumbnails. Now let's get creative with module 4 and 5, where we will focus on creating the engaging YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers. We will show you how to make them pop and with bold text like you can see here. We will learn how to make these kind of thumbnails very easily and using few different techniques which is very unique, and you will get to know all that stuff in the further videos. Right? This is all about fourth and fifth module. Then comes the next module, that is module 6. Moving to module 6, we will tackle Facebook ad designing a product ad that catches attention as an essential skill for a marketer. In this module, you will learn how to create ads that are not only visually stunning but also designed with your brand's message. Like we have made here Fresh Juice Mango Blast ad for Facebook. So we will learn how you can add different colors, these kind of elements, and also with different text, and how to use the different color combination of text in order to make your graphics more engaging and stand out. To the module 7, which is all about event promotion ad for Facebook, whether you are promoting a local event or an online webinar. Module 7 is here to help. We will show you how to create event promotion ads that stand out in the crowded Facebook feed. You will learn how to highlight key details, use vibrant images, and ensure your ad is more mobile friendly. Like you can see here, this is the kind of Facebook ad that is used for event promotion. It is really engaging. We have used different colors here. All that stuff and coloring part we are going to learn in the further modules, and it is really exciting. Trust me, if you get dive into the different using different elements in graphics, you will get to know that how it is fun, kind of fun activity to make any kind of ad or any kind of graphics or social media reel covers, etc., in order to make it stand out in the market. Coming to the module 8, it is basically related to Facebook banner for a page. In module 8, we will create a Facebook banner. Like you can see an example here. This is what we are gonna make in our further modules. A banner is the first thing people see when visiting your page. So it's crucial to get it right. Learn how to craft a banner that reflects your brand identity and captures attention. Then comes the module 9. Module 9 is all about Facebook covers. We will walk you through the process of designing a Facebook cover photo that complements your profile and engage your audience. From adding your logo to use bold visuals, we will connect you covered. So here you can see like we have made two different kind of Facebook cover. Well, there are different, many different kinds, but here I have taken only two examples to explain you clearly. Then comes the module 10. Instagram is all about visuals, and module 10 will help you create Instagram posts that build brand awareness. You will learn how to design posts that resonate with your audience and reflect your unique brand voice. Like you can see here, we have made a content or social media post, basically Insta post on these shoes. So this type of content is generally used for brand awareness. Then comes the module 11. Module 11 is basically related to Instagram story highlights cover. Instagram stories are fun, but highlights are permanent. In module 11, we will teach you how to design Instagram story highlight covers that look professional and align with your overall aesthetic. Like you can see here, these all kind of covers we are going to learn in our further classes. Then comes the module 12 and 13. Let's get into the world of merchandising design in module 12. You will learn how to design custom t-shirt graphics using Canva templates and creating different features on these merchandising design. Whether you are a designer for a brand or starting your own merchandising line, we will have different tips for creating an impactful design, which we will provide you when we will make this kind of t-shirt design in further modules. We are going to learn about designing, layering, textures, preparation for print, all that stuff. Then comes module 14 and 15. In module 14 and 15, it is all about boosting engagement. We will show you how to design Facebook posts that encourage likes, comments, and share by using interactive elements like polls and questions. You will learn how to turn posts into conversations. Like you can see here, this is also a kind of post which I made, a kind of gifting post. So there are different type of posts which you can make in order to make your audience quite interactive, like they will engage with your post more. Then comes module 16. Twitter is fast paced and your posts need to grab attention quickly. In module 16, we will explore how to design Twitter posts that not only capture attention but also align with your marketing strategy. Likewise, in module 17, we will learn about how to create a professional Twitter header. Like this, you can see an example here. Your Twitter profile header is your online banner. In Module 17, we will show how to create a Twitter header that reflects your brand's professionalism and catches the eye of followers. Module 18 and 19 is all about KDP Kindle book cover. So here, Module 18 and 19 contains how to make different covers which are engaging and which also make the audience encourage them to buy these kind of books. So there's a last module where I will be telling you how you can monetize this skill. In this world, money is really important. We all know. So, after completing this course, if you make carefully all the notes and also follow all the steps by making each and everything which I told you by using different techniques and tools, then you can easily grab that opportunity of getting your first freelance client just after finishing this course. I will be telling you some of the great top platforms which will help you to earn your first income very easily. It's kind of straightway or a kind of good opportunities because in these websites the traffic are very less, and along with that the competition is also very less. So there is a good chance of you of getting a very good income source from that websites. So this is all about the introduction of Canva course. This is which you are going to learn throughout all the course. Thank you for choosing this course. By the end of this module, you will have all the skills you need to create professional, engaging designs on Canva, whether you are building your professional brand, starting a business, or just having fun with the creative projects. In this course, we will help you to turn your design idea into reality and also help you to get your first income. So let's get started.